It's full time! And Hippos have beaten the Toyota Buffaloes at home. That is full time. Cubs beat the Buffaloes. Hippos have beaten the Buffaloes. It means that the Buffaloes, unfortunately, will not be playing in the main cup quarters, which means that we have our men's 7 series champions. Take a bow, Walukwa Barbarians. You are no longer on the brink of history. You've reached your Mount Rushmore. They may be opponents in the Ginger Derby. Abel Daria and Dam Waters do not see eye to eye when they face off. But now, an enemy of an enemy is a friend.